That motherfucker just blew by. That wake's gonna suck.
Oh, lost it.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh baby, I'm on. I'm on. First catch of the day, a red drum. That's beautiful. All right guys, we're in St. Pete at a secret spot by some docks. We're gonna try to get some dock pet, snook, tarpon, whatever we can find. We also got the kayaks if we need them, because we might go to a mangrove spot later, but let's get it. All right guys, when I got a nice little grassy knoll, I got my silver mullet NLBN paddle tail on a twisted T-head, and I have my FG knot tied. We're gonna see how it goes, because I'm really not the best at tying the FG knots, but I know what it is. It is kind of a necessity when snook fishing. So we're gonna fish off this seawall, maybe even walk down a little bit, but I also do want to fish these mangroves, and it looks like I'm already seeing some shit running around. So let's cast out, work the NLBN, see how it does.
Guys, there's a big school of mullet right here. Might be a little bit difficult to see, but they're just right here chilling.
All right guys, so we're gonna go to the mangrove spot. That spot sucked, and we got chased out by security, so we're moving. There's actually a 7-Eleven right next to where we're going.
Let's go, dude. For y'all who don't know, 7-Eleven is like our lucky spot. Every time that we go to 7-Eleven, we have a great fishing day.
All right guys, we are on the water. It's pretty beautiful. All right, I want to get a thing of shrimp or a thing of squid from Doom and troll it on my 6K behind the kayak, and then I want to toss out my NLBN over here. I'm gonna wait up for Doom. Yeah, I want to go, fish these mangroves, but I want to get a piece of squid from you. I'm gonna troll it with my 6K. And then let's go down this little canal and we'll throw the NLBNs out. I mean, shit, dude, the whole point of NLBNs is that you don't need live bait, so. Hold on, let me try to get next to you.
Let's go up in here.
Alright. Guys, we're heading to these docks. And it's really choppy. Ugh. Hard to paddle. Doom's behind me. Ugh. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh, that's tiring. But we persevered. I'm gonna have crazy shoulders after this. Yeah. I mogged the boats. They don't got the balls to be out here on a yak that you have to paddle yourself. Oh, fuck. We're gonna go post up at this canal looking thing straight ahead and get off and rest and fish. Oh my god. Oh man, it's choppy. This is not ideal. Not ideal. Oh, I gotta aim it so I'm not taking it on the side. I gotta face the wake. That motherfucker just blew by. That wake's gonna suck. Dude, that wake! Dude, that wake is fucked. I think this is, I can't tell if this one's empty. I can't tell if this house is empty or not. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Fuck! Yes! Fuck, dude!
This is so fried.
Fuck that wake, man!
Dude, that dude's an asshole.
For real! Shit, dude, this wake! We got no way to tie the yaks! Dude, I think he is.
Whoa!
What an asshole. All right. Well, I gotta throw my...
Gonna have to get out while the other one holds the other
Ugh. Fuck, that's my good rod. Shit. Fuck, dude. This is fucked.
This is fried.
Are you able to hold mine while I try to stand up?
Trying. I gotta hold on the back of the fuck, dude, this way. Oh! Careful, careful, careful.
Fuck. Okay, let me get the rods, I guess, first.
Oh! Dude, this is horrible. This is not fun.
I'm gonna grab your rod.
Grab the rod!
Okay, I have yours. I have your good one. Give me your oar.
Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. I might need it. Here. This is
Are
fried.
you giving me the oar? These ones are stuck together.
Fuck, dude. Just pull them both up.
I'm trying. Hand me the donuts.
Maybe we should have done mine first and it's lighter.
Dude, I mean, we could just leave them in there.
One here? Hold on, wait. I'm about to tie yours up.
There you go. Now, is yours tied to mine?
No. But it should be.
Right. I'm gonna put this one in this rod holder.
Just put it in that one. Oh shit, it came off.
I know, I see it.
Are you gonna do something about it?
I guess we should lift it up.
I'm not gonna lie. Up on your guy's about to float away to drink the water.
Okay, I got it.
Grab it up under.
I'm trying. I can't in my arm. Holy shit. Okay, just leave it.
I'm not gonna lie. I think the smartest thing might be for you to Uber back to the car and then like us like strap it here.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea. Hello.
Hello, you have reached Frederick Kennedy.
What's up, Freddie? It's not the best time in the world.
What are you doing?
Me and Doom are kind of stranded in St. Pete. We kayaked really far out, and then a huge wake came in and pushed us to this like random shore, and then these wakes were here, and you just lost your whole fucking line. And we basically just got fucked by this big ass boat. Their wake pushed us into a wall. Guys, another boat just came through. Look what we were just in. Look, here comes another one. They just come through. This is what we were just fucking in the water with. I doubt there's any fish here in all this wake. But guys, look how this boater comes flying through. You see the wake that it brings right up to this seawall? That's what we were stuck in, except it was like a fucking 40 or 50 foot boat. See, this seems like Snooki. Oh baby, I'm on. I'm on, baby, with the NLBN. I'm on, baby.
Is that a drum? That's a black drum.
Holy shit. That's a red drum. That's a redfish. Holy shit, little redfish on the NLBN. Are you fucking kidding me, dude? That's my first time catching something on a lure in saltwater. How beautiful is that? Even though it's small, I really cherish this because I've never really caught anything on saltwater with like a lure like that. Let me hold him. Look at that redfish. Look at that dot.
Maybe we're pulling for fish brain.
Alright guys, first catch of the day, a red drum. Now this is really special for me because I've really never caught a saltwater fish with a lure like that, and I've been hoping to do this for so long now. I really want to snook now though. But little dink redfish, thank you for letting me catch you, buddy. Have a good one. Let's keep going. Fucking amazing, dude. Dude, how about that, bro? I can't believe it. Damn, that's sick. He's not gonna eat a lure, you just scared him off.
I was trying to follow him.
Oh. Yo, so check this out.
I'm liking the activity back here.
So look, we're right here, right? Look, we can walk down the street and there's a bridge over another part of the canal, just down the road. It does say no fishing. Alright guys, well we're at a little bridge within the same neighborhood. No fishing with a police crime watching force.
Hit my bow.
I don't think anybody would really care. I mean, you don't live... Who here doesn't fish? They live on the water. I know, I saw that. Something big right here. Are those mullet?
Those are mullet. They're getting chased. They're getting chased. They're getting chased.
Those are fucking a huge mullet school, bro. They're running from my bait.
Wow.
Guys, there's a dolphin chasing mullet right here. How badass is that? Look, now the bird's coming in. Look, there's a dolphin chasing mullet right here.
Let's see if he wants a greenback.
Don't give him a greenback. Look, he's right here. He's coming right here. Look, he's coming right here. Look, he's right there, Doom. Doom, you're gonna hook him. Just let it chill. Just chill. Just stop. Just stop. Just stop.
Oh my god. one?
Fuck no. That's beautiful. Look, he's coming up right here. Look, he's right here. You're gonna hook him.
Oh my god. He's so
You almost
big.
hooked, bro.
He was so close. He was so close.
The dude's, oh, he's right here. Willie's right here. Oh, I forgot we have our rods.
You just hang out the window. The dude's right there.
Do you think he cares? If anything, you could just stay and then. Yo, is it okay? Is it okay if we have fishing rods? We put it out the window. Yeah, I'll tip. I'll tip extra. Thank you. I'll roll it down. I'm gonna tip you extra on the app. I'm sorry. Wait. All right, guys. So after getting stranded in that really nice community and fishing their canals and catching that little red drum, we caught an Uber back to the Whip at Wheaton Island, and now we're driving back to the community to get the kayaks and maybe do a little more fishing in their canals. So that's what we're doing right now. That's where we're at with today.
You can have yours and I'll drag mine.